So, Sana, first of all, a warm welcome to Glitz Vision USA. And I hope you are doing fine. You are great and you are taking care of yourself.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for having me. Yes, I am absolutely fine and I'm taking care of myself.
Okay, so Sana, back from Cape Town, and I'm sure lovely memories. It was a great journey for you, as a contestant and as a person. So, tell me, how was the journey? Like, if in a line or a two, you can just sum up your Khatro Ke Khiladi journey. How was it?
I think my journey of Khatro Ke Khiladi was amazing. It's always you expect something and then you get the unexpected thing. So I think. I have unexpectedly expected that, I did good. So for me, it's like, an unexpected thing that can I do it? Can I not do it? And I did it. So that's my journey. And I would like to add on that it's been amazing. I mean, it's an experience, one-time experience where I believe everyone should do it. And it has been lovely.
Right. So now, everyone who goes to Khatro Ke Khiladi or participate, they always pray that, I have this fear, I have this phobia, and I hope that I overcome from that fear or phobia. So any such thing happened with you?
Yeah, of course. While I was going, मुझे हर चीज से डर लगता था. Height, creepy crawlies, driving नहीं आती, swimming नहीं आती. I mean, swimming in terms of I'm comfortable in water. But I don't know swimming, like underwater swimming, or if you throw me in a 10-feet pool, I will probably drown. So these were the things which I didn't know. I mean, and I'm not a gym person. मैं gym नहीं जाती हूँ, तो physical strength नहीं थी. तो ये सब चीजों पे मैंने अपने आप को doubt किया था that can I do it, can I not? But when they offered me the show, for me it was an opportunity, and I believe that you should experience it. You should live your life, and it's a one-time experience. And I wanted to do it. I didn't even hesitate. Like, let me just grab this. And, I have been a fan of Khatro Ke Khiladi since the time it's launched, from season 1 to season 10. I have been a fan of it. And yeah, I mean, it's an experience. It was an opportunity for me. So.
Right. Okay, so now what was that one task? I mean, I'm pretty sure every task is challenging in its own way. But what was that one task, while you were performing and while you completed it, you were really proud of yourself that, you finally completed that task? What would be that?
I think all the stunts, because you don't, आप अपने day-to-day life में, I have one question. Do you want me to speak in Hindi or English?
And anything which you prefer, not an issue.
Okay. So, I had this doubt where I was like, every stunt, जब भी हम कोई stunt perform करते थे, तो मन में एक doubt जरूर आता था कि क्या मुझसे ये हो पाएगा, क्या मुझसे नहीं हो पाएगा. But there were a lot of times where you were like, can I do this? Can I not do this? Like, कभी-कभार ऐसा लगता था शायद चलो छोड़ दो, नहीं करते. But then, you're there for the show. You are there for that experience. So for me, it was like कि जो भी मिले मुझे करना है. कुछ नहीं तो experience करना है. जीतू नहीं जीतू, that's, if I win, if I lose, that's not in my hands. But I want to try everything, I should not regret that, oh, I didn't do this, oh, I didn't do that. So yeah, I mean, ऐसा कुछ नहीं. But हर stunt में I was like कि कैसे होगा, क्या होगा. But then when I've performed it, and when you come back and when they tell you your time, or whether they tell you are the winner, you're the, you came first, you came second, or you didn't win. So that has been an achievement through the journey.
Right. Okay. So now, talking apart from the, the stunt, you people, I mean, whoever the contestant was, you people really bonded well. It showed on all of your, pictures and all of your videos. So tell me, how was the experience, working with this lovely people?
See, when I went for Khatro Ke Khiladi, I only knew one person very closely, was Arjun Bijlani, and वो मेरे दोस्त रहे हैं, and हम मिलते हैं, हम chill करते हैं, हम उनकी बीवी, like I know his family, so वो aspect पे I know only Arjun, and then I know people, like I know Divyanka, I know Rahul, I know them, like they're not that close to me, but I know them. But when I went there, and Shweta Di, in for that matter, Shweta Di also I know. But then जब मैं गई, and first 1-2 दिन आपको settle in होने लगता है, आपको other contestant के साथ gel in होने लगता है. but everyone was so nice, everyone, like मेरी bonding हर किसी के साथ एक अलग level पे है. Like if you see me react, talking to Divyanka is a different way where I am different with Shweta, you know, or I'm different with Arjun, or I'm different with Nikki, Astha. So yeah, I mean, सबके साथ bonding बहुत अच्छी हुई है. हम जैसे प्रोफेशनली स्टंट्स लोकेशन पे जाते थे या ब्रीफिंग एरिया में होते थे, तो यू नो हम दैट्स आवर प्रोफेशन, हम काम कर रहे हैं, बट एट द एंड ऑफ द डे व्हेन वी आर बैक इन आवर रूम्स, वी यूज्ड टू चिल टुगेदर, वी यूज्ड टू ईट टुगेदर, you know, like a family. So that was something which was very nice.
Right. And also, Sana, you know, there were few pictures which, you know, I think it was posted on social media by Vishal and you, and it was such a good picture that people started shipping for you that, you know, this two should work together, this should be cast together. So I'm pretty sure आपने भी वो comments कहीं ना कहीं पढ़े होंगे. So what was yours and Vishal's reaction?
See, me and Vishal were very clear in our thoughts, in our minds, and in our hearts that, you know, we are friends, and I think, you know, there's this कहावत, एक लड़का लड़की दोस्त नहीं रह सकते.
Yeah.
So I think in our case, it happened like that. But unless we both are very clear in our minds that, you know, I am his friend or he's my friend. And yeah, I mean, he's single, I'm single. So you like, why people are just like making fuss about it. But it's just that amongst the lot, he was the single guy. Amongst the lot, I was the single girl. So it just, a picture came out, which was very okay. Like for us, it didn't really matter. Like, you know, we uploaded it. And I don't know. I mean, people just said, oh, they both are dating. Oh, this, that. So I just want to put a full stop that he's a friend and, you know, he's a very nice person. Like, I don't know. I mean, why people are just doing that? Like, we're friends and rumors are rumors and they're meant to be like that. So it's okay. It doesn't really affect me or him.
Right. Okay. And Zara, tell me one thing. If I'm not wrong, your last show was Vesh. Okay. If I'm not wrong, and you're now doing Khatron Ke Khiladi. Okay. And whenever a contestant does a show, whether it's a reality or a daily soap, they had some expectations from that show when it comes to their career. I would say professional career. Is there any expectation from Khatron Ke Khiladi for you know, when it comes to this show?
No, not really. I think Vish was a very supernatural sort of a show where, you know, it was about Vish Kanya, and the show had its own ups and downs, pros and cons, but it was comparatively different when it comes to Khatron Ke Khiladi. Khatron Ke Khiladi is an adventurous show. It is about an individual's personality, how adventurous you are. Like, for me, I am a very adventurous person. I want to do everything. एक बार कोशिश या try जरूर करना. Like, I'm a fan of skydive. I'm a fan of scuba dive. I'm a fan of ATV motor ride. So for me, it's like you need to do everything. Like, you know, आपको कोशिश करनी है. So I'm a person like that. Life में एक बार हर चीज try जरूर करना चाहिए. So I think for me, when that opportunity happened, I didn't even hesitate. Like, मैंने ज़्यादा सोचा भी नहीं. मैंने कहा मुझे करना है. So, you know, I was like that. And yeah, I mean, there were a lot of people where, you know, you come from a very daily soap backdrop, and like Divyanka in that matter, I would say, my perception about her, because she's always been that girl next door, that Bahurani, you know, that image of her, I had it in my mind, and I know of a couple of years, you know, but when I saw her in the show, she was like completely whoop, like her, like, you know, her character was, she was herself there. Yeah, like how adventurous she is, what we know of her on television or what we see TV ke perspective se. So she comes across as a very girl next door, very goody girl. But then, you know, when I saw her in the show, and I'm like, oh my God, this girl is so good, you know. So ऐसे बहुत सारे expectations और ऐसे बहुत सारे mindsets change हुए मेरे, you know. Because it's not a normal show. खतरों के खिलाड़ी is not a normal show. ये आपका daily soap नहीं है, ना ही ये आपका music video है, ना ही ये आपका it is a adventurous stunt based show where you are jumping, where you are climbing, where you are crawling, where you are, you know, having all the snakes around you. Like, this is happening in real. Like, हम real life में हम cheat कर लेते हैं, हमारा body double shoot कर लेता है, हमारा ये shoot कर लेता है, but इसमें आप ये सब कर रहे हो. So it it matters how physically strong you are, how mentally
Right.
strong you are. ये सब matter, छोटी छोटी चीजें matter करती है.
The last question is, what was your most memorable day during that whole journey of Khatro?
My birthday.
Yeah. Anything which you want to say? How was the celebration, or anything which you want to
Oh,
say?
it was amazing. I think I started cutting the cake on my birthday. Like मैं birthday के month June 1st से मैं बड़ी excited थी that it's my birthday month.
Yeah.
Nobody is going to spoil it for me.
Right.
So I think from the day one it started nice, and you know back home I was I was receiving flowers, I was receiving cake because it's my birthday month. I need to be pampered. And as the date came close, you know, so I was homesick. I was missing home, and then, you know, I was sitting upset. So whether it's Divyanka, whether it's Arjun, or whether it's Vishal, whether it's Varun, whether it's Shwetati, they all were cheering me up. Kiska birthday aa raha hai kal? Kiska birthday aa raha hai kal? So, you know, like these guys were there, you know, they were like really making my day special, whether it's my unit, whether it's my team from, you know, the Endemol team or the South African local team. And when the day came, like when it was my birthday, so I think from the morning it started so well, and you know till night we were like, it was good. It was, I didn't expect it will go so good because I was missing home. There's never been a year that I've been away. Like मैं रात को 12 बजे मैं घर पे ही केक काटती हूँ, irrespective में मुझे कहीं जाना होता है तो मेरा प्लान 13 से ही होता है, या फिर if I'm leaving on 10th, so I make sure मैं 9th केक कट करके घर वालों के साथ चला जाऊँ. But it has to be home first, then anyone else, you know. Right. So I think वो एक but यहाँ पे भी वैसे ही हुआ. Like मैं 12 बजे इंडिया टाइम के हिसाब से I was talking to my mother on the phone and we were celebrating it on the phone, like virtually. But then जैसे इंडिया के 12 बजे Arjun comes to my room and then, you know, he knocks it. He said, "Happy birthday, 12 बज गए, चलो मेरे room में." So, you know, they had this little planned thing, and then, you know, these boys arranged cupcakes and donuts and everything. So, you know, we cut that, and then so we have the whole crew was staying in the same hotel. So we had this canteen area where we used to meet and eat. So, you know, for everyone. So they called me downstairs, you know, and I'm excitedly telling everyone that I'll come by 9:30 down. Okay, tell everyone that I'll come by 9:30. So I think it was at 9:30, but at 9, I think they all were ready downstairs. And then, you know, everybody took me down, and then, you know, there was a surprise cake cutting. I'm eating my food, but then they shut my eyes. So I think it started well. And the next day, Rohit sir wished me, and then, you know, there was biryani on the set. There was a good celebration on set. So I think that was one of the best, yes, birthdays for me this year. Like throughout, it has been one of the best. Like I enjoyed working birthday, which I never thought. क्योंकि मैं हर birthday छुट्टी लेती हूँ, हर birthday मुझे कहीं बाहर होना होता है, या हर birthday मुझे rest करना होता है. You know, you have your plan. That's one day that you want it for yourself. And I think this birthday I was working, and I feel super blessed, super blessed. It was one of the best birthdays, and I think every year I want to do this. Like I want to work on my birthday where I am pampered and treated like this again and again. So yeah. Right.
Okay. So Sana, thank you so much for the lovely interview and for the lovely, game which you played. Anything which you want to say to your fans, like, you know, now Khatro Ke Khiladi is done, okay, and fans are missing you on television screen, or for that, say just on screen. So any plan, anything which is in the pipeline, which
I just want to say one thing, that guys, stay safe. You know, times are tough. Since 2 years, things have not been good, but just be home, take care of yourself, take care of your parents, take care of your family. I think if one could make a difference, it's you who can make a difference. So make sure you guys all are wearing your mask and everything. Go get your vaccines done. So I think this is one of the important things I would like to tell everyone to do. And rahi baat show ki, show bahut jaldi shuru hone wala hai. You'll see me in a different avatar. Like I've always been a girly girl, and you know, in this show, I don't know how you're going to like me, but I think you guys are going to like me. So yeah, besides that, I have my Tamil film coming up, and TV since 2 years. I mean, you know, there's been on and off, like, you know, because of the current circumstances, new things are not approaching. But yes, let's see now, things slowly is opening up. Like, you know, they are open to, you know, making new projects and stuff like that. So let's see what comes, but I'm open for web, like I really want to have a digital debut where I haven't touched web shows yet, and I'm looking forward for that. So yeah, let's see what comes my way after Khatro Ke Khiladi. After Khatro Ke Khiladi, I have a Tamil release, then I start with another Tamil film. But I really want to see myself in web shows, and soon, I don't know, like, I want to do a Bollywood film. Let's see now what happens.
Yeah. So thank you so much, Sana, for the lovely interview. And I wish all the best for your future projects. May you achieve new heights of success. Waiting for Khatro Ke Khiladi. And thank you so much for the interview.
Thank you so much for having me. Thank
you. Take care. Bye.
Hi, this is Arjun Bijlani.
And this is Alisha Panwar, and you're watching us on
Glitz Vision.
USA.
You said it.